Hi everyone, welcome to the Great Lock-In, your 90-day reset to finish the year strong. Most people wait until January to start fresh, but what if you didn't have to wait? What if the last 3 months of the year were the months where you built momentum, stuck to your goals, and stepped into the new year already ahead? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, from fitness and nutrition to recovery, mindfulness, and even building momentum through community. By the end of this video, you'll know how to join the Great Lock-In and make those 90 days count. Before we talk workouts or meal plans, let's reset our mindset. The key to the Great Lock-In is starting now, not waiting until January. Think of it this way. Every small habit that you lock in now carries over until next year. Instead of starting from scratch in January, you'll already be ahead. And here's the thing, you don't need perfection. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Here's a quick exercise. Take out a notebook or your phone and write down one habit that you've been putting off. That's your first lock-in habit. Commit to it for the next 90 days. You'll be amazed at the momentum it builds. Now let's map out your 90-day plan. I like to break it down into 30-day segments, each with mini goals for fitness, nutrition, and recovery. Pick just 2 to 3 main habits to focus on. That's enough to see real results without overwhelming yourself. Here's a pro tip. Use habit stacking. That means attaching a new habit to an already existing routine. For example, after brushing your teeth in the morning, you could meditate for 5 minutes or do a short stretch. And don't forget to track it. Use a journal, a planner, or a habit tracking app. Seeing your progress visually is super motivating. If you want, share your lock-in habits in the comments or on social media using the hashtag #TheGreatLockIn. Accountability is everything. Okay, so let's talk about movement. Fitness during the Great Lock-In does not need to be complicated or time-consuming. It just needs to be consistent. Mini home workouts of 10 to 12 minutes. Maybe 3 to 5 times a week can be enough. If you love being outdoors, go for walks, hikes, or even stair climbing. Seasonal movement is perfect right now. Fall leaves and crisp air and sunshine. It makes it a great time to be outside. I also love movement snacks. 2 to 5 minute bursts throughout your day. Squats while cooking, calf raises while standing in line at the grocery store. It all counts. So here's a simple weekly plan. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you do strength or a home workout. Tuesday, Thursday, you walk or do a little light cardio. Saturday, an optional fun activity. Sunday, rest and recovery. Remember, consistency wins over intensity. Okay, next up, nutrition. Now, eating well during the Great Lock-In does not mean restriction. It's about balance and nourishing your body. Focus on seasonal produce, apples, squash, sweet potatoes, leafy greens. Try some simple meal prep. Maybe make some sheet pan dinners. Maybe some soups or batch cooked grains. Can't wait to make my huge batch of chicken noodle soup that I make every fall. Then I enjoy it all year, really. Okay, so here's a tip for healthy swaps. Use avocado oil, coconut aminos, or protein powders to boost nutrition. And during the holiday season, that's a tough time, but plan your treats mindfully. 1 treat per day, or balance your treats with protein and fiber-rich meals. If your local grocery store doesn't carry everything, don't worry. Order online from Thrive Market or maybe Amazon, or check farmers markets in your area. You can even DIY, make homemade smoothies, homemade protein bars, or maybe even homemade kombucha. If you do that, let me know, because I've always wanted to try that myself. Recovery is huge during the Great Lock-In. Stress management, self-care are non-negotiables. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Set a night routine with dim lights, blue light management, a warm bath, or tea. Stress management, journaling, meditation, or simple breathing exercises work wonders. You can even do some biohacks like cold showers or at-home red light therapy. Just create your nightly lock-in ritual. A few minutes each night that signal to your body and mind to rest and reset. Consistency is key. Momentum is what makes the Great Lock-In so powerful. Track everything. Try mini challenges, a 30-day step count, daily journaling, or hydration goals. Track everything visually. Mark check marks on a calendar or use an app. Reward yourself for consistency. Non-food rewards like new workout gear, a spa day, or a delicious candle are perfect. And here's the fun part. Share your progress. Post on Instagram or TikTok with the hashtag #GreatLockIn or drop it in the comments. Seeing other people commit will motivate you even more. The Great Lock-In isn't just about you, it's about community as well. Drop your main lock-in habit in the comments and let's finish the year together. Remember, this is trending for a reason. People everywhere are starting now and not waiting. The Great Lock-In is your chance to stay consistent, build momentum, and enter 2026 ahead of the game. So are you ready for the Great Lock-In? Let's finish the year strong, lock in our health and wellness habits, and step into the new year confident, consistent, and glowing. Like this video if you're committing, subscribe for more wellness tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Drop your lock-in goal in the comments. I cannot wait to see. Let's do this together. Thanks so much for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.